The Widebody edition elevates the already sleek Model Y silhouette with wider fenders and more aggressive wheel arches that accommodate larger wheels and fat performance tires. This package injects a menacing yet refined aura. Think coupe-like stance meeting upmarket crossover. The front fascia remains minimalist, but the widened stance adds visual muscle, particularly emphasized by smoke-tinted trim and low-profile tires. Inside, the Widebody maintains the Model Y's trademark minimalism. A single, landscape touchscreen, minimalist dashboard, open cabin with panoramic glass roof. Subtle widebody cues, larger sporty steering wheel, contoured performance seats with better bolstering, and special badging, complete the visual upgrade. Performance and driving dynamics. Under the hood, the Widebody edition shares its powertrain with the performance Model Y. Expect 0 to 60 miles per hour sprints in around 3.5 seconds courtesy of dual-motor all-wheel drive, making it one of the quicker crossovers on sale. What transforms the muscle into handling finesse is the wider track and upgraded suspension. The wider stance delivers superior lateral grip, allowing sharper cornering with minimal body roll. The ride stays relatively firm as expected in performance-tuned trims, but Tesla-tuned damping to soak up mid-level undulations. Add in grippy tires, and the Widebody feels planted in fast sweepers, carving confidence through curvy back roads. Regenerative braking remains strong, offering near one-pedal driving that complements spirited driving and improves overall efficiency. Range and real-world efficiency. Widebody tires and increased grip do introduce a slight hit to range compared to the standard long-range model. In everyday driving, heavy city use mixed with highway leg stretch, the video testers noted an approximate 5 to 8% reduction in EPA range. So, if the stock Model Y long range does 330 miles, the Widebody will deliver around 300 to 315 miles in similar conditions. Still, that's ample for most owners. Typical commutes don't exceed 100 miles daily, and superchargers are plentiful along highways. Range anxiety remains manageable. Handling and ride feel. What stands out is the transformation in handling. The additional width gives the Widebody crisp turn-in and enhanced mid-corner stability. Tesla's adaptive suspension smoothly transitions between firmness in corners and comfort in straight-line cruising. Grip is delivered confidently, whether on warm summer pavement or brisk, damp roads. Widebody feels engaging and trustworthy. The steering remains light but accurate, backed by instantaneous torque delivery. In performance scenarios, the SUV's balance is predictable, offering both fun and utility without destabilizing under load. Interior and tech. Tech-wise, the Widebody edition mirrors the refreshed 2025 model. The central 15-inch touchscreen handles all controls, from autopilot to cabin settings. New to this generation are the revamped UI, a dedicated rear passenger screen for climate control, called the Juniper Refresh, and improved power rear seats. Cabin lighting includes a configurable LED ambient strip, lending a modern, upscale feel. The performance seats are covered in vegan leather and offer firm lateral support, a plus for spirited driving, though some testers noted they feel a bit firm during long highway trips. Utility and versatility. Despite its performance orientation, the Widebody retains Model Y's versatility. Two-row seating with optional third row remains untouched. Cargo flexibility is unchanged. With all seats folded, the cargo space remains generous, and rear passengers still benefit from a roomy cabin thanks to the glass roof and upright window layout. Driving assistance and safety. All Widebody versions come equipped with Tesla's full self-driving FSD capability by default, bundled as part of the limited launch edition pricing. FSD enables features like navigate on autopilot, auto-change lanes, and upcoming city street driving. While still requiring driver supervision, users report smooth highway behavior, proactive braking, and timely lane selection. Structural safety remains top-tier. The updated 2025 Model Y retained top crash test ratings in multiple regions, plus the heat pump HVAC system that improves cabin efficiency and winter range. Pricing and value. At launch, the Widebody comes as a limited launch edition, priced around $60,000, roughly $15,000 over the standard long-range AWD. Though steep, the premium includes the visual kit, FSD, upgraded suspension, wheels, tires, and unique interior finishes. In comparative value, Porsche Macan Turbo offers similar performance but with a smaller EV range and resistor maintenance costs. The Model Y widebody delivers launch control fun, high-tech, and long-distance capabilities, packaged in a practical crossover that doesn't compromise daily usability. Pros and cons at a glance. Thumbs up pros. Thumbs down cons. Aggressive aesthetics with real performance benefit. Premium price tag $15,000 plus over base. Sharper handling and cornering grip. Slightly reduced range, 5 to 8%. Included FSD tech and advanced safety suite. Firmer ride might not suit all. Practical EV utility retained. Strong one-pedal regen and efficiency. Conclusion. The Tesla Model Y Widebody Edition is a compelling and rare fusion of performance SUV and everyday usability. It amplifies what makes the Model Y great: acceleration, tech, range, while sharpening the driving experience through wider track, better grip, and sportier suspension. For enthusiasts, it's a breath of fresh air in a segment often dominated by blandness. Despite the steep premium and slight range concession, the widebody makes a strong case for those who want EV practicality without sacrificing thrills. If you love spirited drives but need room for family and cargo, and you're okay with firm-tuned seats and a more aggressive ride, the widebody edition is a bold upgrade worth considering. Final verdict. The Tesla Model Y Widebody Edition succeeds in bringing sports car dynamics into a family crossover. It's fun, refined, forward-thinking, and frankly, a lot of fun to drive.